Hello and welcome, it's Ian from Handyman Plus Fans. So here is the line that I've cut in order to install this solid worktop. These worktops weigh in at 56 kgs. They're not light at all. They really give such a great finish to a kitchen because they are so solid. They're heavy, but that's okay because I can lift a lot of weight being a strong lad like myself. So if you'd like a quote for a kitchen, then I definitely wouldn't send me an email to my email address requesting a quote for myself, because I'd obviously then give you a quote, possibly arrange a time to pop out and measure up your kitchen. I'm very busy, but I do come out and do quotes for big jobs like kitchens and bathrooms. I don't quote any jobs worth less than £1,000. For that, it's just a case of going to my website and booking yourself in and finding a suitable time and just ordering however much hours you want from myself. It's a little bit like ordering a pizza or ordering a cleaner. I just turn up and work. And providing I've got the bits available, I can just get it done. If not, I can nip to the shop and actually get the parts and then do that way. Thanks so much.